Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm Jana Gunn. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I'm so excited to see you all. I have a master's in predictive analytics from Northwestern University. I have 18 years of healthcare analytics experience with a wide range of experience in a really variety of different areas. I was in reporting and analysis for a while, financial analytics, clinical analytics, healthcare econ, and most recently, I've been in the data science field for about 4 or 5 years now. So throughout this course, I hope I made my point here, there's an abundance of data in healthcare, and our goal is to start to think about how we can analyze it to produce actionable insights. So there's lots of benefits of advanced analytics in healthcare, as you can imagine. We can use advanced analytics to predict disease outbreak. So COVID-19 is the perfect example. We can predict where or when the outbreaks may occur. We can look at the impact of various recommendations. So do masks work? Can schools reopen? We can use advanced analytics to figure out how much PPE supplies we need to purchase. Let's move on to talk about ethics and advanced analytics. Like I said before, one of my favorite topics recently. So why do we need to consider ethics when we're talking about advanced analytics or artificial intelligence? Again, like we said last week, those two terms can be used interchangeably. A lot of times when we're talking about advanced analytics and artificial intelligence together, we're thinking about things like predictive or prescriptive analytics. So in those cases, especially predictive and prescriptive analytics, a lot of times you could be handing off decisions to machines, or essentially having machines help you make decisions. And so it's really important that we have an ethics structure put around these machines in order to make sure that we're using them properly. All right, so we have those three kind of toggles here on the left, and then you can see our different visualizations that are available here. And then there's also an area for filters. If you wanted to add different filters to your data, there's an option here. So let's start out by looking at our summary by state of our two fields that we were interested in. So you can use this search bar, and I'm going to type state, and it's going to show me all the fields that have the state name in it. And I'm going to click on the state, and it's going to automatically kind of pull up this mapping tool. Luckily, we have our analysis tool pack in Excel that can help us calculate these statistics and give us a summary of all of them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me flip to Excel. And this is the data set you're going to be working with for your assignment. So specifically, we're going to be looking at this premature death value and then this poor or fair health value. So for now, let's say we wanted to calculate some of our descriptive statistics on this premature death value. So we would go to the data tab, and then under analysis, we're going to click on data analysis. And this pop-up box will come up, and you'll want to click on descriptive statistics and then click OK. And then it's going to ask you what range of data you want to calculate your descriptive statistics on. Now we have our data in a table. And if we go to insert, Once you go through that add-on process, you'll see this 3D map option in your ribbon, and you can click on that. And then for our analysis, we want to look at the state level. So I'm going to click on state, and now the 3D map will summarize my data by state. So when you open up Tableau, the first thing it's going to ask you is to connect to some data or open a dashboard that you've already been working on. So we're going to open up a text file. So just if you look over here, it says connect to a file, and you have all these different options. You can play around with the different types of data that's available, or different types of visualizations. So here, instead of the columns, we have bars, and it's splitting out the bars by each of the room types and the neighborhoods. Or I can click on this one where now I have the room type up at the top and different colors for each of the neighborhoods. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this class and the workshop, and getting an understanding of everything that Excel can do and Power BI can do. Hopefully you have a good understanding of the assignment, and we'll talk again on Thursday. So have a good evening.